The communication needs to happen ukuthi he needs to come and pick up here. uSibisi eze la angithi. But now the ball goes there. uSibisi ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukubuyela ku position. But who is picking up this guy? Watch, they just play the ball there. Pirates loses the ball here, but look at where uSibelebele is. Now who is free? There. Ngishilo ngathi. Now he drops in here. By dropping in la, look at the space in here. Right? Just by him dropping la, sekuvuleke ispace la. Now we occupy that space. We are supposed to, okay, sharp. Muthuma mfana githi, you outside foot. That outside foot yakhe. That, yo. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Does Orlando Pirates have a strikers problem or a finishing problem? For me, it's both. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. AmaZulu 1, Orlando Pirates 1. Now, I'm going to show you Orlando Pirates, right? Orlando Pirates had a lot of chances as most of the time as a Umbuthuma. So this is not a video about Umbuthuma, right? But it's about the whole game. I'm also going to show you izinto the AmaZulu, right? Let's start. Like we always do, we start set up, right? Set up. Pirates. Okay, before I start, speedy recovery to Undul. Bad injury, right? Sharp. As always, Pirates 4-2-3-1. I need. Let me take it back. 4-2-3-1. I need. The Pirates double pivot. You have Utito as a 10. You have Ulungu as a right winger. You have Umbuthuma as a striker. I need Umuremi left winger. Undaba left back. 4-2-3-1. I need AmaZulu on the other hand. I'll show you now. Now. So AmaZulu when they defend. Now, AmaZulu when they defend, AmaZulu, it's a 5, right? This guy Uzala, it's a 5-3-2. But when they attack, these two will attack. Now you see this guy Ugupi, is a left full wing. Uzala, right? It's the 5, then it's gonna be a 3 in the middle field. Watch what happens. 1, 2, 3, and it. Then these are the two guys about attack. So they attack with their wing backs, the right wing back and the left wing back Gaku. And it. Before we look at our chances with Pirates Nombuthuma, we're gonna look at something that I spoke about. He came against Iteven Seat, right? This thing that happens on the left-hand side, the Pirates. Even UCBC, he does it here, right? I thought he'll do much better. Now, it's 1 against 1 la, sharp, Simnan. Now, this guy makes a run over there. The communication needs to happen here. Ukuthi he needs to come and pick up here. uSibisi ezela angithi. But now the ball goes there. uSibisi ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukubuyela ku position. But who is picking up this guy? Watch, they just play the ball there. We need to communicate. I thought uSibisi naye uzoyenza kangcono. But you have to shift, right? You forget about the person ola. Kahle. uCM needs to talk. Ukuthi ngizommark. Yes, rather kube yi 1 against 1 la. than ukuthi kube sibe extra, but there's someone there who is open, because anything can happen. If that guy gets the ball, anything can happen la. During the preseason Pirates, I spoke about the Pirates having the double pivot, right? The 2 6s here, and then allowing the right back yabo, ne left back to push forward. Then you're opening up space there. I spoke about it, which is going to be dangerous, right? It's just that you guys know me, but I don't want to show you that proof. But I spoke about it. Nani Nyangas. Now look at where Usibelebele is. Ne, Pirates loses the ball here, but look at where Usibelebele is. Now who is free? There. Nishilo ngati. The problem when you're going to push your full backs, your right back and your left back, when you lose the ball in the middle, it's going to be a problem, because you look at the distance there. He can't cover. There's no way in Fanagit. Nisho no Usain Bolt angeka fike la. Routine uti offside. But the problem is pushing the two full backs at the same time. Uguti ba push it. We are gonna have a problem. The question I posed earlier, does Orlando Pirates have a strikers problem or a finishing problem? For me, it's both, right? Tingy explained it so. A strikers problem is if your strikers they don't finish their chances, and then finishing as well. When your wingers or your wingers or your midfielders, when they get opportunities to score, do they score as well? Nah, but they miss their chances. Ulumu missed his chance. Siamazi no Muremi sometimes on one-on-one, we are amazed. So up front, they need to work on their finishing. Now, Mbutuma, right? I don't think he had a bad game, but the problem with Itrike as a Pirates, they play for the team, right? Not Uti team is Let me make an example. If you look at Haaland, right? The team plays for Haaland. Haaland can touch the ball guy 3 and score 2 goals, right? But the strikers as a Pirates, Ifupega no Mahop, they're always coming in to play with the team. They don't stay in the box waiting for the ball. I hope you understand, right? And then now as well, the problem is now, but when they get chances, they don't finish there, right? There's nothing wrong playing for the team, but when you get chances, you have to finish there. Now, this was a good run, a good first touch. Here the keeper was at fault, right? He didn't have a good game because he missed chances work, but they were his movement of the ball, Nanani, he joining up with the team. Yeah, he's good at that, but as a striker value, you'll be judged on scoring goals. That is the biggest problem. Nakia, remember guys, this is not about Umbutu, right? I'm just showing you Guti. He made good movements, he made good things in the game, right? Just like here. Finish first time. There he was supposed to finish first time, right? Because this ball, at least in a shot. So you have time to set yourself up. Even if you're gonna use your left foot and you finish up here. Because the moment now everyone is coming to block. Right? Everyone is coming to block. Umbutuma there did very well, right? Even though for me I always say he's not gonna score goals, a lot of goals, because he moves into positions where he's not supposed to move at. You are not going to score a ball. That's why he plays for the team. He's not playing to score goals, right? That is the problem, because you coming here as a striker, right? He's supposed to be here. If he ball Alfigan, but because he plays for the team, he moves in here and then he does very well. Supposed to finish here. Another chance, another dollar. Watch here. Pass. You look Ugutumbutuma Wenzan. But now you stays in here. Why are you staying there? Why Lenteng Isho? He plays for the team, right? He's not playing to be the one that scores a goal, right? after upass ibhola there, you should don't stop there. Make the run there so that Tito can have his space, but he stays there. Now he plays for the team. You have to be a striker that goes into the 6 box, the 6 box after the penalty spot. Yeah, he cushions the ball very nicely. Undaba does very well. Continue. If you continue, bakhona boTito la. Strikers will be judged on scoring goals. People don't care what do you do off the ball. No, people don't care. As a striker, you have to take your chances. Yeah, no matter they need to work on their finishing because they'll always be judged on scoring goals. Right? La he got a chance. Yayazi super sport yena ithanda ukusibonisa ezinye izinto asibonanga ukuthi what happened, right? Sesibone in slow motion. But he needs to work on his finishing here. Okay, but it was good defending. Good defending there because goalkeeper limdlulile. But at the same time, he needs to do better. Right? He needs to. We are able to defend and he is available. Maybe he could have put the ball this side instead of Albegele. He needs to do better. Another chance, another dollar. Pirates wins the ball. Now, as a striker, don't try difficult things. That is a difficult goal to score, Mpanagiti. And then Besaya actor. Mpanagiti. That's very difficult. Lento ofuna ukuyenza there was very difficult. But sometimes you have to look at the positive. Guti is trying. But for me, use your head, Mpanagiti. You are a tall striker. You are a tall guy. Use your head. Let me take it back because this is not a great angle. Use your head. Because twisting your body, guys. You jump, then you have to twist your body. Yes. Now here, the ball comes. The ball comes there. He wants to jump. He wants to jump, but you can always use your head. Ugobe. You understand? It's much simpler to use your head here than ukuthi usebenzise inyawo. Right? It's not a bad idea, but it's just a very difficult thing to do. And then awuqedile uya-act. Now this is the perfect example, perfect clip. Mangithi i-strikers Pirates, they play for the team, not for themselves. Ne? This is actually a perfect clip. Mara, you said you are injured. Hey, Mara, players can lie. Nzoidlala. When I say they have a finishing problem, you should finish this. This you should finish. Now, why Pirates players, they play for the team? Ne? This is an example. Like, as a striker, most strikers, they wouldn't come here. Why would you come here? Most strikers wouldn't do that. They will try and make a run there. If maybe the Sundown strikers, they would try and make a run like Pambi, or about to please, they would try and make a run Pambi. Now he drops in here. By dropping in la, look at the space in here, right? Just by him dropping la, sekuvuleke space la. Now we occupy that space. We are supposed to finish. Bad defending here as well. Because just like the Chiefs game, we defend the goal post. Right? You don't defend a man, you defend the goal post. Right? I don't know what this guy was he thinking. Angas, because you can see Ulumu Guti. Ulumu is coming, he's making a run there, but you're still standing. I don't understand. Lunga is making it from here, he's making a run. When you are still standing, he's making a run there. Why don't you close down the space? Because there's no one there. Finishing problem and the strikers problem. Penalty, Amazon, right? Just because you have speed, does not mean ukuthi akekho omunye umuntu one-speed ukudlula wena. Just because you have money, there's always someone who has more money than you. It's a simple thing, right? uSibelebele here, he trusts his speed, but doesn't mean ukuthi other players are not as fast as you. What he does here, he presses. There's no need for you to press, because the moment you press here, there's space behind you. What do? Yamazu, they play the ball behind you. Yeah? Penalty. There was no need for him to come too close to the attack because there's space there behind. Yeah? If they pass the ball, then you go and press. Not to go to we are press abanga pass, because what do? They play the ball there. Now this guy wins and we are 10 uza Parati inside, penalty 1-1. Second half. I'm just gonna show you two clips, right? But last season I said Pirates will win the league, right? In the middle of season, I saw great things. Like I know Pirates is gonna win the league. I'm not a Pirates fan. Right? Now, this season, I think they're going to be in trouble. Magnitude trouble. I'm not saying Guti, they won't win anything, they won't challenge for the league. No, but the impact Yagam Fukeng not being there is big, and they'll only feel it this year, very. Right? And again, now I've heard they've lost Umbata, now Unduli in the middle of the park. Again, if Utito Uyalimala, who's gonna play that 10? Right? That's same Kuluma Jingama player. Even this system, now I'm gonna show you here. Now, what do you have here? You have a center back, a right center back, and you have the right back. Ne right wing. All of us is here push. Okay, sharp. Now you'll have a central midfielder, lower with double pivot. He's gonna take his spot. Saga CM sharp. Nothing wrong. But now we have 1, 2. We have our full backs, the right back and the left back, Bapushi, which is a problem because if we lose the ball, we are going to be in trouble. Now, Siema, try and play a simple pass, not a difficult pass. It's not a bad idea, but it's just a difficult pass. He plays it there, not here. Now, we lose the ball. We lose the ball, they play it long. It is 3 against 2. The problem I spoke about even in the first half. Unlucky there. Good pressure from Usibisi. Without our players Lauren Kulumangao, right? Mfukeng, the 2 double pivot, and whatnot. But just the system is a problem for me. You understand? When you push 2, yes, it's great when you attack and then when it works out. But if it doesn't work out, it's in a problem. Final clip, Vala. Final clip is about Mbutuma, right? But Niaz, I don't like players who trap me outside foot. And in this case, Mbutuma, what did he do? He used his outside foot. That's why he didn't score. Now, I'm gonna take it back. Outside foot, Mbutuma. Use your inside foot, Mbanagit. Now, if we play out, when you pass someone, you have to give him option. You can't say pass him too fair and then you stand. We expect to go to him. Yeah? Look at Uhanamo. He passes the ball, then he stands there. So this guy, what must he do? What option does this guy have? Because you must always give someone an option. Not to as Ketelama option. Right? If I pass you the ball, it's either I move here or I move there. Yes, Nontanga na the trapping and whatnot. Okay, sharp. Mutu Mampanagit. You outside foot. That outside foot, yak. That yo. ibhola liyeza, imagine ukuthi if bowulitraphe ngo-left lahlala la, then you score ngo-right, but utrapha so ngi-outside foot lithi ba, i-touch iba too strong, i-defender yenzani, iyafika seyakupress, no goalkeeper la. But had you tapped the ball ngo-left, left ta, had he tapped ngo-left, could have done something better. Not saying he was gonna score, you see, not saying he was going to score, but he had used his left, then right. Left, right, left, right. Okay, sorry Mapagania. Nyazi, yo bayombulala uMbuthuma. But hopefully he works on his finishing, right? Everyone they need to work on their finishing. Now, do the right thing. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you for watching Bafethu. Ngiyabonga.